Hey, do you like photography? Hey, this is Nawaz, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you an easy way for passive income. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how we can earn from photography. Everyone likes to do photography, and we usually do in our daily life, but the question is, can we earn from photography? Yes, we can earn. So let's go to screen and how it is possible. The idea that I'm going to share with you is to create an account on different websites. For example, here I have shutterstock.com. Actually, these websites collect stock footage and sell that footage to others and give us the revenue from it. It's totally depends on our creativity, how we create things better for the people. The other one is gettyimages.com. This website pays you high than that website. And there, if you wanna grow, if you wanna learn things better in better way, you should adopt a good habit, that is searching. Yeah, you should always search Google. That is the best platform we can learn. Here I have suggestions for you. You can search top 10 photo selling websites. In this way you can easily understand and learn things that can help you, and you can search how to create an account on their website. The key for success is always searching. Yeah, searching is a key. Yeah, searching is a key for success. You can search what kind of photos sells the most.